Your time is your real wealth. It is more valuable than money, more powerful than anything you own. You can lose money and earn it again, but once time is gone, it never returns. Every minute you spend is a piece of your life that you never get back. That's why it is important to use your time wisely. Do not waste it on things that do not help you grow. Do not give it away to people who do not value it. You only get one life, every second matters. Many people chase money, fame, and things that shine, but they forget that time is the base of everything. Without time, nothing else matters. You need time to dream, to build, to grow. You need time to spend with people you love. You need time to learn, to rest, and to enjoy life. If you give your time to wrong things, you miss a chance to build something better. So protect your time, spend it on goals, on passion, on the people who lift you higher. Time teaches you everything. It shows you who truly cares, who stays, and who grows with you. It shows you the value of patience and the beauty of efforts. But it only works if you respect it. Do not wait for the right moment. Use the time you have now. Stop delaying your dreams, your plans, or your progress. Start small but start now. Time rewards those who takes action. Every day is a new chance to become better than yesterday. Success doesn't come overnight. It comes from small steps taken every day, and those steps need your time. The more you use time with purpose, the closer you get to your goals. So do not waste it on complaints, comparing, or doing nothing. Build something with it. Even rest when planned has value. But wasting time without thinking steal your future quietly. Use it with care because it's your real power. Time is your life in peace. Protect it, respect it, make the most of it. Live in a way that you do not regret the time you lost. Make your minutes count. Make your life matter. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Sketch.